Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error establishing a database connection on your WordPress website. These are the most common reasons for database connection issues: incorrect credentials, corrupted database, database server issues, web hosting issues, IHALI, exceeded connection limits. Open your browser and type this link with your domain name. After that, show this screen and this line of code. Now, go to your hosting provider. In this example, I'm using Hostinger, but the steps are similar for others, like Bluehost, GoDaddy, or Namecheap. Log in. Open your dashboard. Then go to the Files section on the left. Click on File Manager. Now open the public_HTML folder. This is where your website files are. Inside public_HTML, find the file called wp-config.php. Right-click on it and choose Edit. Scroll down to the bottom of the file. Go on first screen and copy this line, and now add this line of code at the very end. PHP copy edit define, wp_allow_repair, true. Save the file. Go back to your browser, refresh the error page. Now you'll see a new screen with two options. Click on the first option, which says Repair Database. Wait a few seconds. Once it's done, scroll down where it says Repair Complete, and now remove this line. Go back to wp-config.php and delete the line you added. PHP copy edit define, wp_allow_repair, true. Then save the file again. Go to your website and refresh it again, and your website should be back online and working perfectly. It's method 1. Now, let's use method 2 to fix this error. Go to Hostinger and log in. After logging in, click on the dashboard. On the dashboard, find and click on the Databases option. Scroll down and copy the first database name listed there. Next, go to the left menu bar and click on Files, then File Manager. Inside File Manager, click on public_HTML. Scroll down and find wp-config.php. Click Edit, then paste the database name you copied earlier. Save the changes. Now, go back to your website and refresh the page. Check if the error is gone and the site is working. That's it. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.